With its robust construction and easy-to-use winding mechanism, lifting a Renegade Industrial Ute Canopy has never been simpler with the Renegade Industrial Heavy-Duty Adjustable Ute Canopy Jack-Off Leg Kit. Whether you're loading equipment for a job or simply need to access your ute bed, these jack-off legs provide unparalleled convenience and reliability. Built to withstand heavy loads, these legs are capable of supporting up to 500 kilograms, ensuring the safety of your valuable cargo. Prioritizing durability and strength, with fully welded joints and a heavy-duty galvanized finish, these jack-off legs stand up to the toughest conditions. From a maximum height of 1,720 millimeters to a minimum height of 840 millimeters, and a maximum lift of 300 millimeters, these jack-off legs are designed to meet your every need. They're designed to fit perfectly with our range of Renegade Industrial canopies, which come in a stack of your most common sizes and designs, so make sure you check them out on our website. But don't worry, these jack-off legs will fit any canopy as long as they share the same tubing size and spacing specifications. Experience peace of mind knowing that your ute canopy is securely lifted thanks to the oversized foot pads that provide increased stability. Upgrade your Renegade Industrial Ute Canopy with these Renegade Industrial Heavy-Duty Adjustable Ute Canopy Jack-Off Leg Kits. You can grab them exclusively at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.